My name is James Adams. I'm a 15-year-old youth from the Ahedisit Reserve. I am the youngest of 5 siblings. All of my siblings have kids. I have a total of 6 nieces and 1 nephew. My parents are Fred and Karen Adams. My mom is from the Seacher family. In this video, I'm going to explain the effects of alcohol. Alcohol can tear a family apart. Alcohol never existed traditionally in Uchanoth communities. It was brought here by the Europeans. Alcohol has had a disastrous impact on First Nation communities. Alcohol can cause depression and make things seem worse than they are. Alcohol can even cause death. The pressure for youth to drink is enormous. People say if you don't drink, then you are not cool. I want to make healthy choices for my life, so I am going to stay sober as long as I can. I want better things for my life. Shouts out to my mom.